This is why I love not watching anything until I'm with... Okay, A, my eyes are watering.
Oh.
Because I don't even know what to think. But can I say one thing?
Your eyes are watering.
They're watering,
Wow.
100%.
Hey everyone, Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal
Vocal
Lab
Lab
Collective.
Collective.
Hello, Katie.
Cheers.
Cheers
Hey,
to
Jason.
you.
Pinkies up.
You have to pinkies up.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
It's proper. It's proper.
It's sophisticated.
And sophisticated.
As are we.
Duh.
Right.
Okay, so...
Tell me.
I'm very excited because I personally want to dive right into the video today.
Okay.
I know we're great with our small talk and we're so entertaining and so funny.
Always.
With our jokes. But I have purposefully stayed away from watching anything else of Dimash since our last video.
Oh, yeah.
Because I love being able to watch the next video with you guys. Because he blew my mind. Blew my mind.
Yeah.
Even though you knew what was coming.
I knew who he was. I knew the song.
You knew the song.
From,
I did not know the song.
From another artist. So I knew what was coming from the artist, not from him.
And his intensive looks.
Yeah. So
I loved.
I know this song as well, which I'm really excited about because I've not heard him sing it.
You gotta stop learning the songs.
I'm just doing what people ask us to do.
Yeah.
So this was a request, but
the singer.
I mean, these songs come from this one especially is like from my wheelhouse of crossover pop classical music, right?
Okay,
so
yeah.
It's a very famous song called Adagio. I'm sure Carlos has sang it. I have, yeah. So.
Okay,
shall
maybe
we?
I'll recognize it then. Yes.
Yeah, I think you might.
Do the finger. You gotta go up.
Oh, here
over.
we go. Oh, before this, hit that subscribe button.
Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Patreon,
TikTok. And here. And we'll give you our bank account. Not the number, but we can tell you how to subscribe to that too. Give us that direct deposit. No, I'm kidding. Here we go. Let's watch this. Let's watch this show.
I didn't know where you were going with that.
Why is there no sound? Here it comes. Okay.
Is he playing?
Oh no, is he? Yeah.
Ooh, with the violin. That's beautiful. Violin and piano give me chills.
I mean, oh yeah.
It's so moving.
It's so emotional already.
Mm-hmm. For that suit.
Mm-hmm.
Look at him working down here.
It's low for him. Clearly. That was so pretty.
Oh, wow.
Drama. Come on.
Jimin's been replaced.
Yeah?
Yeah.
She thinks so too.
Mm-hmm.
That's so
What?
husky, but high.
What?
What is
Just
that?
came
It's
out.
like just sliced in there.
What was he like as a kid? Like just singing around like crazy in his house?
I guess. Oh, the suspense.
Do they have to go against him? I would not want to do that.
No.
So much character in his voice. Like, literally different characters.
Oh my gosh!
I got on my knees.
Wow.
Holy cow. This is why I love not watching anything until I'm with... Okay, my eyes are watering.
Oh.
Because I don't even know what to think. But can I say one
Your
thing?
eyes are watering.
They're watering,
Wow.
100%. So Make Me Believe is a very hard line to sing. Because it's a lot of wider consonants and naturally wide vowels.
Mm-hmm.
Make me believe. The
Really
wider
hard.
the vowel, the harder it is to sing higher notes.
Yep.
And
That's so true.
that Make Me Believe way up there. Holy cow. But also notice how he leans into the Make Me Believe. He's really leaning into the consonants first to set up for the vowels. I was blown away by that as well as everything else.
Yeah, no, totally. For me, like...
He's hot. He's so hot.
It's for me, I love the drama in all of this, from the music to his vocal to the performance. Like he's a performer.
I'm
like this is literally like a clear example of leaving it all on the stage.
Yeah.
That's an expression we use a lot in performance, right?
Mm-hmm.
Leave it all on the stage.
Yeah.
And that's what he did right there.
Yes.
You know, he has to do no more.
No.
One song, any show, he could be on the stage with anyone in the world. Beyonce down the list. If he did that, he's won over the whole crowd.
Oh.
And has to do no more. So it was so intensely dramatic. It was just like I was just in awe of it all. A really great point that you made, because I was a little distracted by the English because it wasn't really great.
Yeah.
And that's okay. He's not from America. And I think also, to your point, the way he was hitting some of the notes by necessity made some of the words not so clear with him not being American.
Totally.
Or British, speaking English first language.
Yeah,
so
where it sits
that's
in our mouth.
totally okay. It didn't bother me at all.
Mm-mm.
It just stood out in my mind, so I wanted to mention it. But absolutely ridiculous.
Do you know
that's
what?
ridiculous.
Real singers and real artists will...
She's talking about me right now.
Obviously.
But, you know.
Will ignite something in the audience that makes them want to be on stage and do that.
Yeah.
He made me want to be... I have
We know what he made you want to be.
Well, yeah. Like I said,
You've made that very clear.
Very clear. Where's my fan? Let me push my lips up so I can... No, I've not been inspired to want to be on stage in a long time because I love to help others be on stage and be their full potential, confidence, vocally, look-wise, and everything. But he made me want to be like, oh my gosh, I want to do that. I want to see him on Broadway.
Yes.
I want to fly to New York and I want to see him.
That's a great
Phantom of the Opera.
That's a great idea.
Like how
my
incredible
gosh.
would he be with
would
that?
Crush that role. Would crush it. Bop, 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 bop. He would crush that.
Yeah.
I'm like talking about his English. I can't even get my own out.
Get yours out.
No, he would crush that role.
Yeah.
That's a great idea. This was awesome.
Wow, I loved this video.
Really loved it.
I want to do more of him, but I can't.
Did this get a
golden cow?
We don't give out many of those.
No, we don't.
I like that should be a cow for your golden cow.
You know what? This actually represents.
That's really sexy.
So thank you. My one of my best friends got this for me, but my husband is younger than me, so I'm not a cougar. I'm a jaguar. Yeah.
I like that.
So that's my thing.
That's cool.
Thank you.
But we should get a golden cow for you.
Oh, duh.
And then you could give it away.
Yeah.
We could send it to them.
Oh my gosh, we could send it.
Oh, listen.
Ideas.
Mind blown.
This is what happens when you drink
Moscow
Mules.
True. Hey, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie
and
Talbot.
we are Vocal Lab Collective.